Good night. My name is Diego Ferney Diaz. I think that technology has good aspect and bad aspect for humanity and the planet. For example, in the good aspect, we can show to the help to the tax the human beings carries out in different sectors of in the industries. This help that they can be less complex and that we can obtain certain elements more easily. There may also be negative aspects such as the issue of cybersecurity and problems with cyberbullying, and in addition to the theft of financial information. Um, I believe that technology can be of great help if it's used in the best way. It is also necessary to look for way to educate people so that they can make the best use of in the take full advantage of it. Um, Thank you. Goodbye.